How to use ChatGPT to create viral content in minutes. What you'll learn today: generate viral content ideas, write scripts for shorts, reels, TikTok, create captions, hooks, and calls to action, repurpose one idea into multiple platforms. This is perfect for content creators, business owners, students, and AI hustlers. Step 1. Understand what ChatGPT does. ChatGPT is an AI tool that writes like a human, thinks in structures such as hooks, value, and calls to action, and saves hours of brainstorming. You don't need tech skills to use it. Step 2. Use the right prompt. This is very important. Bad prompts equal bad results. Good prompts equal fire content. Example prompt: act as a viral content strategist. Create 5 short-form video ideas for Instagram Reels and TikTok on the topic of AI tools for beginners. Each idea should include a strong hook and a call to action. This single prompt can give you 5 to 10 days of content. Step 3. Generate a short video script. Prompt for shorts: write a 30-second short video script explaining one AI tool in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Start with a strong hook and end with a call to action. Use the script in CapCut, Pictory, VD, or any faceless video tool. Step 4. Repurpose like a pro. From one ChatGPT response, you can create one TikTok, one Instagram Reel, one YouTube Short, one LinkedIn post, and one Twitter or X thread. This is how people post 3 to 5 times daily without stress. Step 5. Monetization ideas. This is important. You can make money by teaching others AI basics, managing content for businesses, selling AI prompt packs, or offering AI-powered social media services. This aligns perfectly with AxisLogix and AI Hustle Lab. Short video format for posting. Hook: 3 seconds. Still struggling to create content? Let AI do it for you. Body: 20 seconds. ChatGPT helps you generate ideas, scripts, and captions in seconds. Call to action: 5 seconds. Follow for daily AI lessons. Assignment: very important. Open ChatGPT, paste one prompt from today's lesson, generate 3 content ideas, turn one into a short video. Want next lesson? Next tutorials I can create. ChatGPT plus CapCut for faceless videos, AI tools for students, AI tools that make money in Nigeria, selling AI services as a beginner.